Welcome back to another video. So today we are talking about how you can customize your taskbar. So this is the taskbar. Okay, you can see the below. So this is the taskbar. Okay, we can customize it. Okay, so just you can right click on taskbar settings. Okay, when you right click, you can see the taskbar settings here. So click on the taskbar settings. When you click on the taskbar settings, will it will open the settings tab. Okay, now the settings tab, you can see there are many things. The search box, first we talk about this search box. Okay, we can see search box, you can hide search box. Okay, and other things here. Okay, so their task view, this is the task view, you can see. So this is the task view. So you can hide it, and you can turn it off or on. Okay, so I'll just turn on. Okay, so slide below, you can see the pen menu. Okay, when you click on it, it will activate the pen menu, just like if you have a touch laptop. Okay, so you can use it if you want to. And other system tray icon, when you click other system tray icon, you can see the notification here, just like Windows update. Now I can see here the Windows update icon, but here, okay, because it's on here. Okay, so there are many icons here, you can customize it if you want to. And here is the taskbar behavior. So this is the most important thing, that taskbar behavior. You can see the taskbar alignment. This is the taskbar alignment. Here you can, here two option, center or left. Currently our taskbar is on the center. Okay, so we can move it to left, just like see, when I click left, so my taskbar move to left. Okay, so I'll undo it. Okay, so now you can see the automatically hide taskbar. When you click on it, the taskbar will automatically hide until you click on it. Okay, so then you can show badge and taskbar apps and other things. Okay, so you can explore one by one more steps if you want to. So these all steps are just like this: combine taskbar button and hide labels. You can I have enabled it, and you can disable it if you want to. So I just click on always. Okay, so this is the all you can see in the taskbar. And there are many things you can do in the taskbar, many customization you can do if you want to. So that's it.